The 2018 Nissan Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning front, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, radio data system, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set, front wheel independent suspension. Come see the car for yourself.